Hey, it's Susie. Welcome back. And you're watching Momentum Stock Traders. And it was a profitable day for our trade plan group today. LHDX gave us an amazing 70% gain on the trade plan that I posted for my members. And we were able to bank all of that amazing 70% move. And I also posted a trade plan for CFRX, which played out perfectly to give us a very quick $1.50 per share on a $5 stock in less than 15 minutes. So it was a fun day for my members. And we had a great time day trading today. So I've got a good one for you today and a lot to cover. So please hit the like button and please subscribe to this channel. I just gave away several free accesses to the trade plan room. And if you're interested in getting free access to all of my trade alerts, trade plans, and watch lists, send me a quick email to info@momentumstocktraders.com and I'll reply requesting your name and a couple of details for you to sign up for that. Now, first things first, guys. Let me show you the trade plan for LHDX here. I posted this at 6:19 a.m. this morning, my time. And when I post a trade plan, I give very specific price targets where price will reach during the day before it reverses. I use a very special AI scanner with very specific filters set for my unique criteria, which catches stocks just as they're starting to gain momentum early in the trend. Now, guys, not every stock that I post will set up, but many will. And those which do will give very good gains for the day. And legally, I can't tell members when to buy a stock. I'm not a financial advisor or a fiduciary, so I don't tell you exactly when to buy, but I do tell you exactly what to look for, and my algos do the rest for you by telling you when to buy. And so these trade plans that I give you every day are pure gold. Nobody else in the entire industry does what I do for my members. It's the most powerful tool that you can use to be profitable on every trade that you take. And the accuracy is unmatched. So here's the trade plan that I posted for LHDX, which was the first stock that set up for us this morning. And this is a typical trade plan format that I use when I post. I name the stock symbol and I'll post some commentary on what I feel is important for my members to know. And of course, I post the profit target levels, the support levels, and if I see what I call a cautionary level, I'll mention those as well. So at 6:19, I posted this trade plan. And this is not a trade alert. A trade plan is not a trade alert. It's a plan. It's what I give you for you to use to set up your own chart where you can draw these lines and everything so that you can be ready for the setup if and when it does happen. And here's what the setup looks like. In the trade plan, I mentioned that 55 cents was needed as support in order for the price to set up for it to be able to run to this target. But there was also a previous level here that it made around 5:15 this morning. So when I see something like that, I'll mark that level too as a needed support level. So at about 6:32 this morning, we got a trade alert, which was these two algo arrows, which fired off right at the support level that I mentioned in the trade plan. So the strategy is you buy at the trade alert that is at support. So in this case, we were able to get in between 52 and 53 cents a share. We had a target of 86 cents, but I posted a cautionary target of 77 cents. And that's this gray dashed line here. And this is a level that I found on the daily chart. And it takes some chart reading skills to be able to find these levels like this, to develop an eye for finding these levels like this 77 cents, but this is a skill that I teach my mentoring clients. Now, LHDX had really good pre-market volume, and we were pretty much able to leverage as many shares on the trade as we wanted to. 5,000 shares, 10,000 shares, even more than that. It was no problem. So even though it was only a 24-cent gain on this move, trading only 5,000 shares was an easy $1,200 profit before opening bell. And if you're trading 10,000 shares, $2,400 profit. So not bad. And it was a really easy, clear trade to see. CFRX was the next stock that we worked with this morning. And I posted this trade plan at around 7:08 a.m., right as it was just starting to pull back and prove support, which it did. And then it gave us a really good algo trade alert at this arrow. So we entered at around $5 and we had several targets that we were focused on. The main one being $6.45 to $6.94, which it did really fast all at once at opening bell and then it halted. Now, my trade plan members know that you do not hold in a halt through a target. You always sell into strength at the target. So once again, if you don't know these targets in advance, there is no way that you'd be able to successfully capture that exact target. It takes planning and it takes exact execution using the plan. And so that's why my trade plans are pure gold. They tell you exactly where price is going to reverse before it happens so that you can sell into strength and make the most without running into any trouble. Now, one final thing, the overall market, guys, let's look at the SPY. I hear a lot of people making predictions about the market in general, and it's really hard to know for sure what it's going to do, but let's just take a look at it and I'll give you what I think, okay? What I'm seeing. As a day trader, I really don't care about the overall big boards that much, but every morning, one of the first things that I always look at is what are the big Fed reports or the speaks happening? I look at what is gold doing? What is the dollar doing? And I look to see if futures are red or green on the NASDAQ, Dow, and SPY. For equities, though, the biggest clue for how the overall day will go is by understanding what the dollar is currently doing. Now, if the dollar is red early in the morning, then equities will most likely be green. The dollar tends to have an inverse behavior to equities and vice versa, okay? And if you're interested in my prediction on what the SPY will be doing in the near future, like, has it found a bottom yet? Everybody always asks that. Well, here's the daily chart, and it just hit this resistance level here. It needs to prove that level as support before it can start the next leg up. That's just how it is. It needs to prove support there. And the next leg up will be the next line up that you see. Now, if it fails to prove this line as support, then down it will go. That's just all there is to it. It's pretty simple to read a chart like this. And it's a long way down, folks. Personally, what I see on the SPY is, for now, it's stuck in this little chop zone, which is a previous consolidation level. The longer and tighter this price action is in this region here, the bigger the move will be once it finally gets out of here. So that's my take on the SPY. We are currently in a period of indecision until some sort of catalyst comes out to break it loose. So please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and 5 days free access to the trade plan room is still available to a few more traders. So send me an email at info@momentumstocktraders.com and tell me your name, your email, and how long you've been trading and your trading style, like if you're a day trader or a swing trader or whatever, and let me know what broker you're with, and I'll try to get you access right away. And thank you for being here, friends. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, let me know, and we will talk soon.